Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. I'm going to show you how to install FFmpeg on Windows in just a few simple steps. FFmpeg is a powerful tool for handling video, audio, and multimedia files, and you'll need it for many video editing, streaming, and conversion tasks. Let's get started. To get started, head over to the official FFmpeg website. That's ffmpeg.org. Once you're there, click on the download link. Scroll down to the Windows section and click the link that takes you to a third-party build provider. I recommend Gyan.dev, which is a trusted source. Now choose the leaseful build under Git master builds and download the zip file. Once the download is complete, right-click the zipped file and choose Extract All. Rename the extracted folder to anything you want for easy reference. Next, move the new folder to the root of your C drive, creating a new path. You can delete the zipped file. It is no longer needed. Search for Edit the System Environment Variables in the Windows search bar and open it. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find and select Path, then click Edit. Now click New and paste the path to FFmpeg's bin folder. Click OK on all windows to save. To verify everything works, open up Command Prompt. Type the following command. If the installation succeeds, FFmpeg will display version information and configuration details. Well, this did not work. Double-check that you've added the correct path. Well, there is another folder inside. This is why it did not work. Let us try again. If you see a bunch of text about FFmpeg version and configuration, congrats, you've successfully installed FFmpeg. Now you're all set to use FFmpeg on your Windows machine, whether you're batch converting videos, compressing audio, or even streaming. FFmpeg is a powerful tool in your workflow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.